Good evening. Dear student, in the previous video, we dealt with these problems based on mirror formula. Today also we shall deal with some problems based on mirror formula, and they are a bit difficult. But you should be able to solve problems like that, because a few problems like this are usually asked in CBSE board examination. So let us see. The first problem is a shaving mirror has radius of curvature 30 centimeter. A man sees his image 2.5 times the size of his face. Find how far is the mirror from his face. In this problem, the nature of the mirror has not been given. You cannot solve this problem unless you know which type of mirror is used as a shaving mirror. Now, concave mirror is used as a shaving mirror, therefore the mirror is concave. Now, since it is a concave mirror, the radius of curvature and the focal length of the concave mirror is negative. So, let us start from this point. Radius of curvature minus 30 centimeter. As focal length is half of the radius of curvature, therefore, focal length of the mirror comes out to be 15 centimeter, minus 15 centimeter. Now, the relative size of the image has been given. Relative size of the image means magnification. Since in shaving mirror, the concave mirror forms virtual and erect image, therefore, the linear magnification in this case is positive. Hence, M is equal to plus 2.5. Find how far is the mirror from his face. That is, distance of the object from the mirror means U has to be calculated. Now, in mirror formula, we have image distance, object distance, and focal length. In this case, two parameters, the object distance and image distance, has not been given. So, first of all, with the help of linear magnification, we shall find out the value of V in term of U. Let's see how. We know that M is equal to minus V over U. M is 2.5 V over U, or V is equal to minus 2.5 U. So we have calculated the value of the V in terms of object distance. Now, using mirror formula, we have 1 over V plus 1 over U is equal to 1 over F, or 1 over the value of the V is minus 2.5 U plus 1 over U is equal to 1 over minus 15. or 10 or minus 25u plus 1 over u is equal to 1 over minus 15 LCM 25u minus 10 plus 25 is okay is equal to 1 over minus 15 or 15 over 25u is equal to minus 15 or 25u is equal to minus 225 or u is equal to minus 225 over 25, that is minus 9. So objective distance u is minus 9 centimeter. Therefore, the distance of the face from the mirror is 9 centimeter to the left of the mirror. Okay? So now we have second problem. An object is kept in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. The image formed is 3 times the size of the object. Calculate 2 possible distances of the object from the mirror. In this problem, the magnification has been given to you, but the nature of the image is not given. We do not know whether the image is real or virtual. Remember, a concave mirror can form enlarged image, bigger image, which can be real or virtual. Therefore, m is equal to plus minus 3. Image distance has been given. You have to find out 2 possible distances. What does it mean? The distance of the object when the image is real and inverted, and the distance of the object when the image is virtual and erect. Okay? So when m is equal to plus 3, that is, the image is virtual, erect and 3 times magnified. Focal length has been given, f is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Why? Because concave mirror. Again, we shall calculate the value of the v in term of u by linear magnification. N is equal to minus v over u, or 3 is equal to minus v over u, or v is equal to minus 3u. Now using mirror formula, 1 over v plus 1 over u is equal to 1 over f. Substituting the values, we have 1 over minus 3u plus 1 over u is equal to 1 over focal length is minus 20 centimeters. Taking LCM, 3u, we have minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 over minus 20, or 2 over 3u is equal to 1 over minus 20, or 3u is equal to minus 40, or u is equal to minus 40 over 3, that is 13.33 centimeter. So distance of the object when the image is virtual and erect is 13.33 centimeter from the object. You can see in this case the object has been placed within the focus of the mirror. ऑब्जेक्ट को मिरर के फोकस से पहले ही रखा जाता है, तभी कनकेव मिरर वर्चुअल और इरेक्ट इमेज फॉर्म करता है. नाउ लेट अस सी द सेकंड केस. When m is equal to -3, focal length minus 20 centimeter, u has to be calculated, determined. Again we shall find out the value of the v in term of u. So using mirror formula, we have magnification formula, we have m is equal to minus v over u, or -3 is equal to minus v over u, or v is equal to 3. Now substituting this value in mirror formula, we have 1 over v plus 1 over u is equal to 1 over f, or 1 over 3u plus 1 over u is equal to 1 over minus 20, LCM 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 over minus 20, or 3u is equal to minus 80, or u is equal to minus 80 over 3, that is minus 26.66 centimeter. So the two possible distances are 13.33 centimeter and 26.66 centimeter from the mirror. That's all today's. Thank you.